don't beat around the bush, and I don't wanna push, but you're making this hard. I know something's going on. There's dishes in the sink and trash in the front yard. Tell me, what can I do? Do I go for a walk? Should I stay with you? I'm tired of sitting on my hands, watching what I love wilt like a houseplant. Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home. Seems like just the other day I'd see your face and know what to say. Now I'm staring at the ground, stepping over eggshells spread all around. So tell me, what can I do? Do I tiptoe around to pick up a broom? Can we sweep up this mess, or did we make a minefield out of our dress? Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home. I'm not talking if you're clean up my act for a month or two, but I eventually fall back in, repeating patterns and cycles of thoughts that make my nightmares self-fulfilling. But you remind me that I'm only human. I'm only human. What can I do to deserve you? What can I do to deserve you? You're always making fun of me, saying that my head's too thick. I'm so good at forgetting all of the little things. What can I do to deserve you? What can I do to deserve you? To deserve you? What can I do to deserve you? To deserve you?
I want your heartbeat. I want you for myself. 'Cause you're no one else's. So tell me you miss it. Or tell me just how it is that you're someone else's. First tell me you love and lay in your arms, then call her, tell her she is the one. Man, I'm not surprised. I really thought that you'd be different, but sure you don't got no feelings. Or maybe it's a fun for you, but baby I'll be gone for good. Hope you know when I go silent, I'm never going back to your face. It's only gonna cost for you, 'cause baby I'll be gone for good. I'll be gone for good. Was running in circles, 'cause you made me lose my way. Now I'm so ungrateful. I'm sure she will help you, 'cause no you can't help yourself. Goodbye Mr. Painful. First help me love and be in your arms, then call and say she is the one. No, I'm not surprised. I really thought that you'd be different.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Odd thoughts and some dusty dreams, and we seem to find common ground. Guess everyone's got their own sound. I never cared much about fitting in, what's right or a sin. But as you stand before me, I give in. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Just tell me I belong. That I'm the lucky one, I'm your chosen one. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the
like it the way that we like it. Yes, we do. Chillin', talking. Sometimes making plans, others nothing. We gotta find a way to make it stay the same. Oh, with no fans of change. Oh no, we don't wanna change. Oh no, just one close fist. Oh.
Monday you come over, stay a couple days. I wonder, is it gonna last? Will you keep your promise? Honor what you said, be honest. Will you do your best? You said with forever that you wouldn't leave me, never. But it's all a test, 'cause Friday I know better. You go out, say see you later. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number dial. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you close to me and switches. Only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh. Do you play it safe or are you just a player, baby? 'Cause I need to know if your love's exclusive, if your mouth and heart's agreeing. Need to know for sure, 'cause I can't take this anymore. Don't want to want you more. You're running out my door and leaving me behind. I gotta get some answers before I go under, baby. My thoughts are running wild, spreading like a fire. I can't help but press your number down. Call you every hour, but every call's denied. I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you close to me and switches. Only takes a couple kisses to bring back the best in me. Ooh, love you on the weekdays when you stick around. Love you when you pick up, when you take the time off. Love you on the weekdays when you stick around. But I love to hate you on the weekends. That's when you trigger ugly feelings. Wish you wouldn't give me reasons to bring out the worst in me. Ooh, I love to hate you from a distance. But when you close to me and switches. change.